Hello everyone, welcome back to Business Hack, the channel that gives you tips and tricks on how to take your business to the next level. Today we will be discussing a very important topic in the world of business, and that is the role of social media in business in 2023. Social media has revolutionized the way we communicate, and it has also had a significant impact on how businesses operate. Social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses in the modern world. As of 2023, the role of social media in business has continued to evolve and grow, with an increasing number of businesses recognizing the importance of maintaining a strong online presence. In this video, we will be exploring the various ways that social media has changed the game for businesses. So let's dive in. Marketing and advertising. The first way that social media has impacted businesses is by providing them with a new platform to reach their audience. In the past, businesses relied on traditional advertising methods like television and print ads to reach their target audience. However, with the rise of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, businesses now have access to a massive audience that they can reach directly. By creating social media accounts and engaging with their audience, businesses can build brand awareness, promote their products or services, and drive sales, customer engagement, and support. The second way that social media has impacted businesses is by changing the way they interact with their customers. In the past, customer service was typically handled over the phone or via email. However, with the rise of social media, customers now expect to be able to interact with businesses on these platforms as well. This has created new opportunities for businesses to provide better customer service and build stronger relationships with their customers. By responding to customer inquiries and complaints on social media, businesses can show that they care about their customers and are committed to providing a positive experience. Collaborate and network. The third way that social media has impacted businesses is by providing them with new opportunities to collaborate and network. Social media platforms like LinkedIn have become essential tools for businesses to connect with other professionals in their industry. By joining groups and engaging with other professionals, businesses can gain valuable insights and build relationships that can lead to new opportunities. Social media has also made it easier for businesses to collaborate with influencers and other brands, which can help to expand their reach and drive sales. Market research and insights. The fourth way that social media has impacted businesses is by providing them with valuable insights into their audience. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram provide businesses with detailed analytics about their followers, including their age, gender, location, and interests. By analyzing this data, businesses can gain valuable insights into their target audience and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. For example, if a business finds that the majority of its followers are young women who are interested in fitness, it can create content that is tailored to this audience. Brand awareness and reputation management. The fifth way that social media has impacted businesses is by creating new challenges and opportunities for reputation management. Social media has made it easier for customers to share their opinions about businesses and their experiences with them. While this can be beneficial for businesses that receive positive reviews, it can also be damaging for those that receive negative reviews. Businesses must monitor their social media accounts and respond to negative comments and reviews promptly to protect their reputation. However, social media also provides businesses with opportunities to showcase their positive reviews and build their reputation online. Recruitment and talent acquisition. Finally, the sixth way is that social media has become an increasingly important tool for businesses to attract and recruit top talent. Through social media platforms, businesses can share job postings, showcase their company culture, and connect with potential candidates. Additionally, businesses can use social media to vet candidates, gather references, and gain a better understanding of their potential employees. In conclusion, social media has had a significant impact on the way businesses operate. From providing a new platform to reach their audience, to providing valuable insights into their target audience, social media has revolutionized the world of business. However, it is important for businesses to approach social media strategically and carefully to ensure that they are leveraging their full potential. By understanding the ways that social media can benefit their business, and investing in the resources necessary to execute a successful social media strategy, businesses can take advantage of this powerful tool and achieve their goals. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical business advice and insights.